Hi everyone, Ron Crider out and about again today. We're back at Ryder's Gourmet Market. They call it Ryder's Food Fun. It's located at 3106 Cardinal Drive here in Vero Beach. Phone number 772-500-3663. They're open every day from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. So I'm going to take you on a little bit of a walking tour today around the store. Been open a little bit more than a month now, and when you come in, it's a very engaging, nice, clean store. I took these shots here just to show you they're all set for Halloween. Look at this. I got the pumpkins out here, and I panned down here just for you to see this. They have a little bit of a sign there that says exactly who they are and what they're doing. And as we're going to go over here, I did this just to show you that they have a whole lot of different baskets. This is the time of year people give away nice food baskets. And how about a gourmet basket from Ryder's Gourmet Market? I mean, there's one of the baskets they have, but they had many baskets available. They run anywhere from $35 to $100, depending on what you decide you would like to put in those baskets. We'll put them together for you. Need an ice bucket? There, you can pick up an ice bucket. They have a nice selection of wines. Many of the wines I am not familiar with, although I have purchased wines here and I like them very much. They're good wines. Tom Ryder was the publisher of Food and Wine magazine, so if there's anybody in town that knows something about wines, he would. Therefore, I'm not going to suggest that since I'm not an expert at these wines, he probably is, and they're probably really good. Look at some of the foods you can pick up over here in this counter with the various hams and look at this. Oh, isn't this great? There's some smoked salmon, pepperoni. I mean, if you're putting a little quick party together and you need something in a hurry, there's all kinds of cheeses here. Fabulous cheeses. Really, really good stuff. Italian, American, French, you name it, they got it. A little feta up here. Now I took this shot to show you some of the crackers they have. I love crackers, and look at these crackers. And I've zeroed in on this one in particular. I've never had these, so I'm going to buy them and see what they're all about, but they look pretty good. More crackers here on the upper shelf. Fresh vegetables here, mushrooms, lettuce. You probably won't do all of your shopping here, but I'll tell you, there are plenty of things. You're not going to run out of food over here. I mean, you just pop in here and grab something. You want to grab something for breakfast, a quick breakfast. You can get it here. They have a little secret garden you go and eat in outside. They have a couple little tables out front as well as on the side. They have a whole bunch of picnic tables with umbrellas there. Check out this hummus. Really nice looking hummus. And this is the pre-prepared food. I thought this caught my attention. Maine lobster mac and cheese. All right. Not bad. $20 for a nice dinner. And it's, look at this, chicken pot pie. We've had the chicken pot pie, we've had the Caesar salad, we've had a couple of the pastas, we've had the meatloaf, all of which are like really, really good. I mean, we haven't had anything from here that we didn't really like. 3 cheese lasagna, hey, $15. You can't beat that for dinner. Veal parm. What I like here, look at the cocktail sauce up here. If there's any kind of sauces you can possibly think of, they have it in a hurry. Just go ahead and grab a little bit of sauce. Look at this. Then they have some tomato sauce over here and meat sauce for pastas. So you grab a little pasta and throw some meat sauce on it. Here's a ham and turkey, big ham, a big turkey, oven roasted turkey. Then some pre-prepared food here, like there's Waldorf salad and all sorts of different salads in here. Plenty of olives. If you like stuffed olives, they have great stuffed olives. I think the camera's going to go up there and show you those super stuffed olives. potato salad. Broccoli. Oh, look at these meatballs. These meatballs look fabulous. Here are those stuffed olives I was telling you about. Red peppers. How about those cannolis? Check those cannolis out up there. Now, that's my kind of... I love those cannolis. And then look at this. This looks really good. I didn't check these out quite yet. Fun cakes. Look at those. Oh, wow. Don't they look delicious? Then in the event that you need a little cocktail mix, like for Bloody Marys, they got you covered. Check this out. Look at all the different... The Charleston's really good. That's good stuff. I like that. Margaritas, pina coladas, mojito. I took this shot just to show you. They got plenty of customers. Look at these people standing in line waiting to check out. They move you through pretty quickly. Go in and order something. Oh, and by the way, did I tell you that they're pet friendly? Now, don't take the dog inside, but outside in the little secret garden, there you go. Bring your pets along. This little guy was a little three-legged dog. He was having trouble walking, but he was so happy. His little tail was wagging. We were so glad to see him, and he was glad to see us. So it's Ryder's Gourmet Market, 3601 Cardinal Drive, Vero Beach, right across from Leanne Kelleher's Tides Restaurant. And they're open 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day. It's easy to remember. Out and about, Ron Crider. Thanks for watching the video. Give me a like.